Municipal waste, poisoning of population. Every year, about 55 million tons of municipal solid waste and 38 billion litres of sewage are generated in the urban areas of India. In addition to that, large quantities of solid and liquid waste are generated by industries. Waste generation in India is growing rapidly. It is estimated that it will increase at a per capita rate of approximately 1 to 1.33% annually. Studies on waste disposal in India has shown so far only about 2% of its waste to energy potential has been utilized. The hitherto utilization does not generate surplus energy that could be sold in open market. Market analyst Frost & Sullivan predicts that the Indian municipal solid waste to energy market could be growing at a compound annual growth rate of 9.7%. Most wastes that are generated find their way into land and water bodies. They also emit greenhouse gases like methane and carbon dioxide and add to air pollution, causing severe water and air pollution. The problems can be significantly mitigated through the adoption of environment-friendly waste-to-energy technologies that will treat and process wastes before their disposal. Saino has developed a vacuumed dryer to produce marketable clean and surplus energy. India's growing energy deficit is making the central and state governments become keen on alternative and renewable energy sources. Waste to energy is one of these, and it is garnering increasing attention from both the central and state governments. Processing of municipal waste to generate electricity by Saino. The municipal waste from garbage truck is dumped into the underground storage conveyor system. This underground storage conveyor system is designed for half days of supply, that is, approximately 200 tons can be stored. The dumped waste is metered and transported gradually to the stone and mud filtering chamber, where mud and stone components are segregated. The remaining residue is transported to the magnetic chamber, where metallic component gets separated and filtered. In the next step, municipal waste is broken down and shredded to very small tiny pieces. This shredding is done 3 times. After shredding, it goes through the crushing process twice, so that majority of wastewater gets separated. This separated water goes through effluent treatment plant. The residue is then transported to the vacuumed dryer. This will further separate moisture from the residue. Moisture content will be collected and diverted to wastewater effluent treatment plant located parallel to the main system. To ensure continuous output of committed electrical power, there is a parallel arrangement of coal input in case of shortage of municipal waste feeding to the system. This is an alternative source of raw material to electrical power plant. The final dried up vegetable and non-vegetable residual waste increases the calorific value of final dried residue, which is burnt in boiler and input to electrical power generator to produce electricity. This is the schematic reorientation of the whole municipal waste management system to get clean energy without any kind of water or air pollution. Since water content is already segregated, the finally emitted gas is burnt at as high as 960 degrees Celsius. Therefore, no gases are released in the atmosphere.